Namaste, I'm Kunal from EPK Capital. At EPK Capital, we build wealth for generations. Every single day, when you log into social media or open a financial app, you are bombarded with flashing green numbers, screenshots of massive intraday profits, and slick advertisements promising that financial freedom is just a few quick trades away. Trading apps have been designed to look and feel exactly like video games, making the process of buying and selling stocks seem effortless, fast, and highly rewarding. But behind this beautifully polished curtain lies a structural trapdoor that silently ruins thousands of aspiring investors every single year. The brightest, most dangerous lure in this entire ecosystem is the world of leverage and margin trading. Today, I want to step away from the hype and have a deeply honest, transparent conversation about why these specific tools are the single greatest threat to your long term financial security, especially if you are just starting your wealth creation journey. Let us take a step back and understand what these terms actually mean in plain, everyday English, completely free of confusing financial jargon. Imagine you want to buy a house or a piece of land worth 100 rupees, but you only have 20 rupees in your pocket. You go to a lender, put down your 20 rupees, borrow the remaining 80 rupees, and buy the property. In the physical world, that is taking a loan. In the stock market, when a broker allows you to do this, it is called margin trading, and the financial power it gives you is called leverage. Essentially, leverage is a system where your broker allows you to control a very large financial position using only a tiny fraction of your own actual money. It sounds incredibly attractive on paper because it amplifies your buying power. If you have 10,000 rupees, a broker offering you 5 times leverage suddenly allows you to trade 50,000 rupees worth of shares. But right here at the very beginning of our discussion, we must establish an unshakable truth. Leverage is a razor sharp, double edged sword. While it has the power to multiply your gains when you are right, it possesses the exact same power to violently multiply your losses when you are wrong. Now, as a bonus, I have created an in depth guide to the 7 costly tax traps for high net worth NRIs, a strategic report on avoidance and compliance. You can download it simply by clicking on the link in the description. Let's continue now. To truly appreciate the danger, let us look at the actual mathematics of a leverage trade, because numbers do not lie, and they do not care about our optimism. Suppose you have an initial capital base of 1 lakh rupees. You decide to use a conservative sounding 5 times leverage to buy shares of a promising company. Because of that 5 times leverage, you are now holding a massive position worth 5 lakh rupees. Now, let us say the market experiences a perfectly normal, short term, negative fluctuation, and the stock price drops by just 10%. For a traditional cash investor, a 10% drop is completely manageable. But for you, 10% of your 5 lakh rupee position is 50,000 rupees. Because you borrowed the rest of the money, that entire 50,000 rupee loss is deducted directly from your original 1 lakh capital. In a matter of minutes, a minor 10% dip in the market has wiped out a massive 50% of your entire savings. If the stock drops by 20%, your loss is 1 lakh rupees, meaning your entire capital base is reduced to absolutely zero. Now, contrast this exactly with the traditional cash and carry investment. If you had used your 1 lakh rupees to buy the shares outright without borrowing any money, a 10% drop means you have a temporary paper loss of 10,000 rupees. Crucially, you still own the shares. If the company is fundamentally strong, you can simply choose to hold it, ride out the temporary market cycle, and watch it recover over the next few months or years. Your long term wealth building capability remains perfectly intact, whereas the leverage trader has been completely eliminated from the game. This mathematical reality leads us directly into the most stressful and brutal trap in the entire financial ecosystem, which is the mechanics of the dreaded margin call. When you borrow money from your broker to take a leveraged position, the broker is not taking any risk on your behalf. They have built an automated system designed to protect their own money at all costs. Think of it like a lender standing outside your front door the exact moment the market value of your house dips, demanding that you hand over cash immediately to make up the difference. When your leverage trade begins to move against you and your initial capital starts evaporating, your broker's automated system will instantly send you an emergency alert. This is the margin call. The system tells you that you must immediately deposit more of your own hard earned cash into the account within minutes to maintain the minimum balance required to keep the trade alive. If you are a beginner, chances are you do not have lakhs of extra rupees just lying around to throw into a losing trade. And this is where the true tragedy happens. If you cannot deposit the cash immediately, the broker's computer algorithm does not wait. It does not negotiate, and it does not listen to excuses. It will automatically liquidate your shares, selling them off into the open market at the exact worst possible moment, right at the very bottom of the market crash. This process permanently locks in your financial losses. The ultimate irony is that the market might completely reverse and skyrocket the very next morning, but it will not matter for you. Your capital is gone, your positions are closed, and you have been left empty handed with no way to recover. Beyond the devastating math and the structural traps of the broker platforms, there is a far deeper, more insidious cost that people rarely talk about, and that is the profound psychological toll of margin trading. When you use leverage, you are no longer investing. You are participating in high stress gambling where the clock is constantly ticking against you. This environment instantly activates the worst parts of human psychology, primarily greed and the intense fear of missing out, or FOMO. You see a stock moving up, your greed tells you to maximize the leverage to make quick money, and you jump in without a plan. But the moment the trade turns negative, that greed instantly mutates into pure, blinding panic. You find yourself compulsively refreshing your smartphone screen every 30 seconds, your heart racing with every tick of the market, unable to focus on your job, your business, or your family. When a beginner experiences a massive, leveraged loss, it almost always triggers a highly destructive behavioral bias known as revenge trading. Instead of stepping back, the individual becomes desperate to win back the lost money as quickly as possible. They take on even higher leverage, make even riskier bets, and abandon all rationality. This emotional spiral is precisely how lifetime savings, family heritages, and funds meant for children's education disappear in a matter of days. It completely destroys the emotional calm, clarity, and rational patience that are absolutely mandatory for building sustainable wealth. Throughout my 20 years of navigating the Indian and global financial markets, I have observed a universal truth that never changes. True wealth, the kind that lasts for generations, is never built on a knife's edge or through short-term speculative gambling. It is built quietly, steadily, and systematically through the magnificent power of compounding, extraordinary patience, and the outright ownership of high-quality assets. When you look at the most successful wealth creators globally, they did not accumulate their fortunes by day trading on 5 times margin. They achieved it by becoming long-term owners of great businesses, allowing those companies to grow their revenues, expand their market share, and compound value over decades. True investing is a marathon, not a high-speed drag race. A magnificent skyscraper requires a deep, incredibly solid foundation dug into the earth, which takes time and meticulous engineering. Trying to build wealth through high leverage margin trading is like trying to build a massive house of cards on a structurally weak table during a windstorm. It might look impressive for a fleeting moment, but a collapse is mathematically inevitable. Sustainable growth, backed by real assets and solid financial planning, will always beat fast, volatile, and highly unstable gains. As we come to the end of our conversation today, I want to leave you with a very simple, yet incredibly powerful core principle of wealth management. Rule number 1 of the financial world is capital preservation. Survival is the ultimate strategy in investing. If you protect your core capital, you always stay in the game. And as long as you are in the game, the compounding nature of the markets will eventually reward you. Therefore, my pragmatic action item for you today is very straightforward. I want you to log into your investment accounts tonight and take a long, critical look at your portfolio. Identify if you are using any margin, if you are holding any speculative short term derivatives, or if you are taking on unnecessary high risk debt just to chase temporary market trends. Clean up those speculative leakages. Refocus your energy and your capital on strategic asset allocation that genuinely matches your real long term family goals. If you feel that your current investment approach is causing you constant anxiety, or if you want to completely transition away from the chaotic, stressful world of short term trading toward a structured, peaceful financial blueprint that genuinely protects and grows your family's future, please know that you do not have to navigate this complex journey alone. We invite you to connect with our team at EPK Capital, where we can work together to craft a customized, institutional grade wealth strategy designed for your specific needs. Thank you so much for your time today. Please stay safe, protect your capital, invest with long term wisdom, and I will see you in our next video.